name is Rich from Rich Pause English, and I'm here with a different type of video today. The video today is phrasal verbs. Okay, what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are additional verbs. Don't look at them like something else, because the thing is, it can give you like anxiety, it can get you stressed. You need to look at them like additional verbs. Okay, that's all you have to do. Additional verbs. Okay, and the subject of today is verbs, phrasal verbs with put. And these verbs, if you say these in Spanish, if you say it with a Spanish accent, they can sound like bad words. So we have to be very, very careful with how we say them. We have to say them softer. The words have to come out softer, okay? So let's get into this right now. We got put in. Put in. What is put in? Put in is not Vladimir Putin, okay? No, it's not. It's put in, and it's not pudding. Pudding, no. Not pudding, not Vladimir Putin. It's put in, put in, put in. Okay, what is put in? Put in is meter en. Let me give you an example of put in. Okay, I want to put my car in the garage. I want to put my car in the garage. Put in. Okay, put in. All right, number 2, put out. Put out. Put out is sacar o apagar. Okay, put out. I like this example the best. Let's put out the fire. Vamos a apagar el fuego. Let's put out the fire. Put out. You see, put out. Not put, it's put. Put out, put out, put out. Okay, it has to be softer, okay? Now, number 3, definitely, this can definitely sound like a bad word, okay? But we have to look at it in English terms, okay? Put away, put away. What is put away? Put away is guardar, okay? Put away. I need to put away my notebooks. Tengo que guardar mis cuadernos. I need to put away my notebooks. Put away. Put away. Remember, you don't want to say put. It's put. Put away. Put away is guardar. Put away. Okay? Now, number 4, put off. Put off. What is put off? It's posponer. Apagar, put off. Put off is posponer, okay? So put off, I need to put off my English classes till next week. Tengo que posponer mis clases de inglés hasta la semana siguiente. Okay? Put off. It's not like Smirnoff, okay? This is a phrasal verb, this is a verb. Put off. Put off is posponer. Put off. Put off. Okay, number 5, put on. This is another one. If you say put, it's gonna sound strange. Okay, so you want to say put. Okay, put on. Okay, put on is poner, organizar. Okay, so put on. This is the most common one. Put on your shoes. Ponte tus zapatos. Put on your shirt. Ponte tu playera. Okay? Put on your jeans. Ponte tus jeans. Tu mezclilla. Okay? That's put on. Number 6, very, very common mistake with many of my students. Put up with. Put up with. What is put up with? Put up with is soportar. But put up with is like, for instance, you don't like somebody, right? Or you don't like the attitude that they have. You say, I can't put up with that guy's behavior. No puedo soportar el comportamiento de él. Okay? Put up with. Put up with. Okay? Put up with is soportar. Put up with. Okay? Number 7. Put up. Put up. Okay, put up is poner algo en una pared, patrocinar o construir. Put up. Let me give you the best example. The best example is the Counting Crows. Put up a parking lot, ta ta ta. But no, it's put up, okay? Put up. Let's not put up the picture. Let's not put the picture on the wall. Somebody has to put up my family for the weekend. Patrocinar a mi familia para el fin de semana. Put up. Okay, put up. Okay. And put up. Just remember, put up. Put up. Okay, it does sound like a bad word, but these are common verbs that we use every single day. Okay? Now, number 8. Put down. Put down is suelte, dejar. Put down. Please put down that hammer. Suelta ese martillo. Put down that hammer. Put down that hammer. Okay? Put down. Put down. Okay? Put the baby down in his crib. Put the baby down in his crib. Pon el niño en su camita. Okay? Put down. Put down. Put down. Put down. Okay? Number 9. Put through. Put through. Llevar a cabo o hacer pasar. But this is very common in phone calls. Okay, this is very common in phone calls. When you're in an office setting, can you please put me through to your boss? Can you please put me through to your boss? Okay? Put through. Put through. Okay, put through. Okay, and now number 10, put across. Put across. Put across, it's not a cruz, it's put across. Put across. What is put across? It's transmitir. Transmitir. Okay? They need to put their ideas across to start a successful business. Okay? They need to put their ideas across to start a successful business. I need to put across the videos to help more people. Okay? Put across. Put across. Transmitir. Okay? And now I've added a bonus. And the bonus is something that many of my students, they commit this error all the time. This mistake is very, very common. Okay? You don't say put attention. You don't say put attention. You say pay attention. Pay attention. Presta atención. Pay attention. Okay? Pay attention. Okay? We need to pay attention to the grammar exercises. Pay attention to the signs on the on the road. Okay? Tenemos que prestar atención a los señales en el camino. And necesitamos prestar atención a los ejercicios de gramática. Okay? Pay attention. Always use pay attention. Please don't use put attention because it's completely wrong. Okay? Now, thank you so much. This concludes our exercise of the day. I appreciate it very much. If you can put like and subscribe below. Also, if you could please put comments below. Please tell me, like your exercises, what you think about all these phrasal verbs. If you can use them, please put them in the comment section below. Thank you so much. Have an excellent day, and I'll see you very soon.